Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Jess. I'm a portrait and family photographer. Today we're going to be exploring the beautiful island of Mallorca and discover the best places to take a photo shoot. Mallorca is known for its stunning natural beauty, so it makes a photographer's paradise. From its beautiful beaches to scenic countrysides, there's no shortage of backdrops for your next photo shoot. Let's start with the beautiful beaches of Mallorca. From crystal clear waters to white sand to beautiful sunsets, it makes the perfect location for a beach photo shoot. Some of the most popular beaches include Cala Major, Cala Rajada and Cala d'Or. Also, I live in Can Picafort, so in Can Picafort there's this beautiful bridge that leads down to the beach, and you can start on the bridge, take some photos there, and you can see the sea in the background, and then after you've finished on the bridge you can go down to the beach and take some stunning photos there. I highly recommend, if you are a photographer and you want to take some stunning photos, go to the bridge first and then head down to the beach. You'll get some lovely photos, and especially at sunset. Another great place to take some photos in a really picturesque town called Sóller. With its narrow streets, colourful buildings and charming little cafes, it's the perfect place to take a more urban style type of photography. For those of you who like more scenic landscapes, Tramontana Mountains should not be missed. With its rolling hills, scenic vineyards and traditional farmhouses, it's the perfect place for a more nature-esque type of photo shoot. That's everything I wanted to share with you today. I hope you found this video helpful and it inspired you to capture and explore this beautiful island of Mallorca. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like this video for more photography tips and tricks and inspiration, and I'll see you next time.